In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack to improve the look and feel of your publications and newsletters. Customizing these elements helps your emails and posts look more professional and engaging, so let's dive right in. First, go to your Substack homepage. This is where all your customization options are located. At the bottom left of the page, near the Recommendations area, click on Settings. This will take you into the main control panel for your publication. From this page, scroll down, then click on Emails. Here, you'll find the options to customize both your email headers and footers. Look for the section labeled Email Header and Footer and click Edit. To add a banner, find the Banner Image option in the Email Header section. Click Upload and choose an image from your computer. This banner will appear at the top of your emails and act as a visual introduction for your readers. Next, move to the Header for All Posts section. Click Edit, then type in a custom header that you want to appear on every post. You can also add a button here. From the button menu, select Subscribe so readers can easily subscribe directly from your header. Don't forget to click Save after making changes. Now let's set up the footer. Scroll to the Footer for All Posts section and click Edit. Here, you can write a custom message, such as a short note about your publication or a call to action. You can also add buttons like Share Publication to encourage readers to share your content. If needed, you can customize these buttons or add more than one. Once everything is set, click Save again to apply all your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can create a clean, consistent, and visually appealing layout for your Substack emails and posts. And that's how you use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.